pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Denton, local and long distance, movers near me. While making a long-distance shift, the most important factor is the safety of your belongings. And make sure you have all required certifications and permits to cross your state line or country line, which is difficult to manage alongside packing and shifting, and becomes even more difficult if you have kids around you. But if you hire a professional mover, 3 Movers, we have good 20 years of experience handling all types of shifts and ensuring your certifications are being made before your move. As few permits are necessary, our firm is already certified and has a good working relationship with the local federal association, so they have provided us with legal permits to cross the state lines or country lines and complete the long-distance or international shift. It's vital to hire a professional mover, even if you are moving locally. As the shifting process is till the dame, you must pack all your belongings, load, unload, and resettle them again, which may consume more than one day. But if you hire a professional mover like 3 Movers, we make sure to move your apartment the same day and unpack or resettle your apartment. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Denton moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form